Hello, I am R. Padma Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kakinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss about Jacobson et al.'s methodologies. Jacobson et al.'s methodologies describes about the use cases, object-oriented software engineering and object-oriented business engineering. What is use case? Use case is an scenarios. Scenarios means sequence of events that we are going to perform. They are performed by understanding the system requirements and interaction between the user and the system. Use case. Use case can be written in non-formal text or a normal text or in a formal style. Non-formal text means there is no clear flow of events, whereas in normal text there is a clear flow of events. In formal style we can use some pseudocode. Use case description must contain the following. First one is how and when the use case begins and ends, and second, when the interaction occurs and what is exchanged, and third one, how and when the data will be stored, expectations to flow of events, and finally how and when concepts of the problem domain are handled. This is an example of use case diagram. Use case diagram for the library. Here we have the member as a actor and supplier as a actor, and the sequence of events are in the oval shape. Events that are performed in the library are checking out books, getting an interlibrary loan, doing research, reading books and newspapers. Whereas the librarian orders for a new books, that is the purchase supplies. So librarian orders the books to the supplier. Next one is the object-oriented software engineering. Object-oriented software engineering is also called as objectory. The aim of the OOSC is to fit development of large and real-time systems. It involves analysis phase, design phase, implementation phase and the testing phase. Objectory. Objectory is built around several models. They are domain object model, analysis model, design model, implementation model and the testing model. Use case model. Use case model defines the outside and inside of the system behavior. Use case model is expressed in domain object model. It is structured by analysis model and it is realized by design model and it is implemented by the implementation model and finally tested in the testing model. Here in the domain object model, the objects of real world are mapped, and in the analysis model we analyze how the source code is to be carried out and returned, and in design model we are going to design the data flow diagram or a state transition diagram or use case diagram, and in the implementation model we are going to implement using the coding, reusable coding or robust coding, and finally we are going to perform test. Next one is the object oriented business engineering. This is an enterprise level and it consists of the analysis phase, design and implementation phase and the testing phase. In analysis phase, we are going to define the system to build in terms of the problem domain, object model, the requirements model, and the analysis model. In design and implementation phase, first we are going to identify the implementation environment for the design model. And next one, analysis objects are translated into the design objects that fit the implementation system. Next, in testing phase, we are going to conduct tests using the unit testing, integration testing, and the system testing. Thank you.